Red Tour has been going on since March, and after tonight's show, there will only be 5 shows left on the Red Tour. It's almost over. And the way that I go about scheduling a tour is you sit down with a map, and you think about the places where you've played before and the places where you'd like to go back and play again. For a crowd being particularly out of their minds, crazy, loud, bouncy, dancey. In the case, you would want to go back and see that crowd.
Yes, you would!
Again. However, it's very important that you pick only the craziest, only the most insane crowds for the end of the tour. And so you look at this list of places where you've been and you say, okay, for the end of the tour, we really want to go out with a bang. We've got to go back to Greensboro. You decided to spend your evening with me, and I'm so honored because I feel like there are some familiar faces. I feel like maybe some of you have seen me in concert before. Thanks for coming back.
You're welcome.
I missed you terribly. I have this feeling that maybe a few of you have never seen me in concert before.
Not me!
Is that true?
Oh my God!
I'm flattered. I'm so happy to meet you. I think it's only polite that I should introduce myself. I'm Taylor. It's very nice to meet you. I'm going to give you a bit of a heads up. The heads up about this show is that there's going to be one particular color that you're going to see more than all the other colors, Greensboro. So if you find yourself wondering, why is there this fixation on this one color? Why is everyone here wearing this one color?
Because it's red!
I'll tell you. It's because I spend a lot of time writing songs. I spend a lot of time thinking about emotions and feelings and life experiences and trying to turn them into analogies and metaphors. And somewhere along the way, when I was writing this album, I compared how I was feeling to colors. And like in my mind, blue would be sadness, gray would be loneliness. And there was this one color that really represented the emotions that I wrote lots of songs about on this album.
I love you!
Now, speaking of the emotions that I wrote about on this album, I try to be pretty self-aware about these things, Greensboro, and so I'm self-aware enough to admit to you that I realize that on my album, there are 2 emotional extremes. There's falling in love and how awesome that is, and going through breakups and how terrible that is.
Yeah, girl!
So, there's not much in between. There's not much beige going on.
No, there's not. It's red!
The kinds of emotions discussed on my album are the kinds of emotions that we all go through at one point or another in our lives. They're the emotions that are really difficult to get through. They're difficult to verbalize. They're the emotions like, oh, it's so nice to meet you, let's be together forever, this is so great, we're falling in love. And then the complications, and when it all breaks down, and he's like, oh, I need space. And then I'm like, oh, that's fine, I'll just never talk to you again and write a whole album about it. emotions that I categorize in my mind as the crazy emotions. They're the emotions that make us feel like we might actually lose our mind. But I have a theory about the crazy, out of control, intense, wonderful, fantastic, magical, sad, beautiful, tragic emotions that we go through when we fall in and out of love. Would you like to hear this theory, Greensboro, North Carolina? My theory is that these emotions, the crazy emotions, if we could get through them, those are the emotions that teach us the lessons we need to learn in order to become who we're supposed to be someday. These are the emotions that make us stronger, and at the end of the day, I think these emotions make us better. And, you know, they're the emotions that make you think that you're alone in feeling that way, but there are 14,000 people here tonight, so it must not be... If I had to assign one color to these emotions, I wonder if you agree with me on this. I wonder if you agree with me on the color that I would choose to represent the crazy emotions that involve falling in and out of love. That color that I would choose to represent them would be bright, burning, red,